Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I remain Timothy. For those ones who are new, my last video was about some of the common errors we encounter while dealing with Excel and how to fix those errors. If you have missed that part, please I urge you to go and watch that video. You'll get a lot of sensible things there. Today, I'm going to talk about Google Contacts. Before I dive into the steps, I would like to make this very clear. It's actually very important to have Google Contacts. You have your contacts all saved in your Google email address. This is very important. It will enable you to access your contacts in all the devices that you have. Like if you have PC, you can as well access the contact there. If you have 2 or more smartphones, you can as well access the contacts you have in your phone there. And this one will also help you during the time perhaps you have lost your phone, for example. You are going to be in position to redeem all the contacts that you have saved in Google Contacts. Meaning if you don't have your contacts saved in Google Contacts, once you lost your phone together with the SIM cards, it's going to be very hard for you to redeem such contacts. Yeah, so that is it. I have some steps here which I want to show you guys in this particular video of how to add contacts in your Google Contacts. First thing you need to do is to have a very good internet connection. Once you have that, you come to your device and you choose the browser you like to use. Like for me, I'm going to use my Google Chrome. So in my Google Chrome, you can see this is my Google Chrome. I have my email here. The email I want to use, I can put here. It's loading. Yes. So this is my email which I want to use. It's here at the right upper corner. Next to it is where you have Google applications. So you click there and then you come and search in your Google application. We have very many of them here, but our main target is to get what? Google Contacts, and it is right here. So you click on it, and then it will display for you all. You can see for me, I save all my contacts in my email under Google Contacts. They are all here. They are all aligned here. So let me take you guys through. I have them all here. Yes. So these are some of the contacts that I currently have under my Google Contacts. So if I want, okay, there are actually things you can do here. One thing is you can create a contact for any person you know. And then the second thing is you can edit the contacts you already have in your device. And then the third thing is you can either import or export a contact. So let's go and see how to do this today. Mega things. So for you to add a contact in your Google account, you come here at the left upper corner here where you get this plus sign together with create contact. You click there. So it's going to show for you create a contact or you create multiple contacts. If you have 2 or more contacts you like to create, you click create multiple contacts. But if you have a single contact you like to save, then it's better you put here create a contact. Once you put that, it will give you all these details. You enter the name of the person, the first name and the second, the last name. If like you know the company where he works, you can put the company name. You can also add the job title of that person and put the email address. If the person has 2 or more email addresses, you can put, and then you add here as well. You put the phone number. If there are 2 or more phone numbers, still you can put here by clicking this option of add phone, and then you put the address of the person. Put the month when the person was born, plus the date and the year, and then you can write short notes on this. You see, you can describe the person here as well, or if you have a plan of doing something with that person, you can still add short notes here, so you can see how organized this thing is. So that is how you do, you add a Google contact of any person. And then another thing here is you can, as I mentioned earlier on, you can edit the contacts you already have. You can edit you can enter some of the details which you might have missed when you were adding this person's contact in your device. So for example, this one, if I want to edit, I come here under this person's name, and then I scroll, I go vertically along this person's name, and then this is where I'll get here, edit. So I'll click edit, and then you can see, you put the first name, if at all you have not put in this in the first place. You add the company's name, just exactly like what we saw the other time. If at all the person has added more phone numbers, you can as well come and add the phone numbers here. And then lastly, you can choose the profile photo for this person. You can choose from the Google Photos, or you can as well upload from your device which you are using. Yeah, so that is how you edit any contacts given to you, or you already have in your device. Going back, the last thing is when you want to import the contact, or you want to export the contact. This is where you get the option of import. Then under import, you go towards CSV or cut file. And then you select that property, and then there you exported imported your contact for the so for importation, if you want to import your file from the contact, you come also to the right corner here, where you can see this option of export. That is where we are going to click. Then you choose where you want to export the file. Then follow the appropriate steps. Thanks so much for giving in your time. This is where we are going to end with this particular video. My next video will be about Google translation or Google Translate. So don't miss that part, and please share this video with your loved ones. Bye.
Gift of grace is Jesus, my Redeemer. There is no more for heaven now to give. He is my joy, my righteousness. steadfast love, my deep